Morning, Chris. Oh, hey, Phil. What are you doing? Working on the truck. Why are you working on it out here in the cold? Why am I working on it out here? I'll tell you why I'm working on it out here. Every time I set anything down in that freaking shop, it disappears. Doesn't matter what it is. Set down a socket, it's gone. Set down a part, it's gone. Shop Goblin. Stop it with the Shop Goblin. Well, what else could it be? I don't know. I'm losing my mind. Well, have you had any problems since you moved out here? Actually, no. See? Shop Goblin. Alright. Let's say it is a Shop Goblin. What are we going to do about it? I don't know. I've tried everything to catch it for the last week. What do you mean you've been trying to catch it for the last week? Like I said, I've tried everything to catch it for the last week. How? Well, first I tried a rat trap, but I took the bar and the spring. Okay. And you didn't think that was weird? Of course I thought it was weird. Alright, so what'd you do next? Next I set the wooden live trap that you built, and it took the springs. The springs were gone? Yep. What'd you do next? I took the fur trap and welded the chain to the work table. And when I checked on the fur trap, it was gone. The chain was still welded to the table, but the trap was gone. Okay. So you tried a rat trap, and they took the bar and spring. Left the wood. Yep. You tried the wooden live trap we made, and they took all the metal springs and left the trap. Yep. So you tried the fur trap, and they left the chain because they couldn't get it out. That's what happened! Sounds to me like they like metal things. Did you try anything else? No, I gave up after the fur trap. Alright. Just to prove I'm not going crazy, and to help you catch your goblin, why don't we go set a trap? Let me put these tools back in the truck, so I got those. And then, let's go build a non-metal trap and catch that goblin of yours. Well, Phil, there it is. Metal-less trap for your Shop Goblin. My Shop Goblin? It's your shop! You're the one that's seen it. How exactly is it going to work? Well, we're going to take an extra sprocket and a wrench, put it in the trap. Whenever it goes in, it's going to hit the trigger, and down comes the trap. We got your Shop Goblin. It's probably a squirrel or a pack rat, but you swear it's a Shop Goblin. It is a Shop Goblin. And if your trap works, you'll see I'm right. Hey Chris, the trap just went off. Holy smokes, you caught the Shop Goblin! No freaking way, let me see. Holy crap, really? Well, Phil, I owe you an apology. Told you, Shop Goblin. All right, you were right. Shop Goblin. What are we going to do with him now? We're going to get rid of him. That's what we're going to do. How are we going to do that? We're going to put a board under this thing, slip it off the table, and go drop him off by that scrapper's house that keeps stealing everyone's stuff. That's what we're going to do. I like the way you think.